In a world full of lookalikes and factory-fresh boredom, this machine right here, it's a renegade. Born in the heart of American steel, forged with fire, chrome, and gasoline, this hot rod doesn't just roll, it thunders. Behold, the T-Bucket Beast. Old school bones, modern muscle, a supercharged V8 that rumbles like the 4th of July. Built not in a factory, but by hand, by craftsmen, by dreamers, by believers in the American way. And that flag, that's not for decoration, friend. That's a promise, a roaring red, white, and blue declaration that says, I'm proud, I'm loud, and I don't back down. This isn't just a car, it's a statement, a head-turning, street-shaking, tailpipe-screaming icon of American rebellion. And here's the kicker, it's for sale. That's right, you can own this rolling piece of Americana. The open road is calling, and this baby's ready to answer. Head to artfactory.com right now, or call before someone else grabs the keys to this legend. Built by hand, driven by passion, made in the USA, and ready to roll. Please like our channel, Trending News, for more stories that ride with power and pride.